Hello, this is Michael Beatman with your Gateway FS Weekly Wrap-Up for Friday, January 18th. On the Chicago Board of Trade this week, we saw a two-sided trade with corn and beans up, and then March wheat was down. March corn was up 3.5 cents on the week. March beans were up 6.5, and then March wheat was down 1 3/4 cents on the week. And basis kind of held firm, which is why you didn't see the cash market move a whole lot after the fall off last week. We saw that due to both the CIF numbers that we're seeing down at the Gulf fell, as well as barge freight increase. Barges last week and into this week have been fairly hard to come by, and guys are just having to pay more for them, hence the basis erosion. We are seeing that down at the Gulf of Mexico, though, U.S. corn is among the cheapest in the world. So that did draw some interest. The USDA reported some sales to Latin America of corn, and with it being the cheapest in the world, we do expect those strong sales to continue. Some other news to note, the USDA did not release their January report. No signs of when and if they will release it, as well as there was an acres report due at the end of this month, and we'll see if the USDA does get that out on time or not with the ongoing government shutdown. Lastly, some words on the Chinese-U.S. trade talks. All the rumors that we're hearing are good, but they're just that, they're rumors. Until something gets put in writing and then signed by both countries, it's kind of just going to be a shooting in the dark. And you can see beans pop and you can see beans come down just on rumors that are floating out there. And then lastly, we did see an increase in beans this week, as I mentioned before, and a lot of that is due to extended weather forecast being dry down in Brazil and wet in Argentina. That is continuing the trend that we saw for most of the winter and for most of their growing seasons. The latest forecast has it getting a little bit wetter in Brazil, so they will get some precipitation down there, but not until the first week of February, and at that point their bean crop is pretty much made, so it's not thinking that it's going to do a whole lot. So as it progresses, no rain in the forecast, we would think that the bean prices could creep up just on the reduced production out of Brazil. But more on that to come as the next few weeks of January unfold, and then they get into harvest into February. As always, if you have any questions, please give us a call, 282-4000. Thank you.